It is day 4 here in Maui, and we have a great day ahead of us. We are going out to dinner tonight at Down the Hatch in Lahaina. We are snorkeling with sea turtles at Honokeana Cove and having lunch again at Monkeypod in Whalers Village. I'm also going to go out and do some really cool drone footage at the lava fields on the south end of the island this morning. Thanks for joining us. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all of our future videos. I left our condo on the west side of the island at about 6 o'clock this morning to drive all the way to the south end of the island for sunrise at the lava fields. The lava fields is an area I've known I wanted to get some drone footage. It's absolutely beautiful with the different landscapes. Where else can you see lava, green trees, and crystal blue ocean water all in the same location? All right, so we are back in Whalers Village again. We're gonna have lunch at Monkeypod again. Told you guys that we would definitely come back here again. It didn't take too long, just a couple days. And I think we're gonna get exactly the same thing to eat that we got before. So that should be great. All right, so we started off again with the garlic truffle oil fries here at Monkeypod. They are really, really good. I really like the mustard sauce. It's like a mustard aioli sauce.
This is the pumpkin ravioli with goat cheese and spinach and some kind of brown butter sauce. And it is absolutely amazing.
Here is my pizza. Just like we had the other day, it is a wild mushroom and truffle oil pizza, and it is amazing. Even though I am a serious meat eater, this is one I will do without meat for. Right after lunch, we saw a crowd gathering on Kaanapali Beach and went out just in time to see a pod full of dolphins swimming by. And just like they knew that there was a crowd on Kaanapali Beach watching them, they proceeded to just put on a show for us. It was really cool. Hey guys, so we are at Napili Bay and we're chilling out. It's a really nice bay in Maui with good beach and water and very mellow. And I'm going right next to it in Honokeana Bay, where there's supposed to be some of the best turtle snorkeling on the island. So I'm gonna try that out, see if I can see some turtles while Angie is chilling out on Napili Bay. All right, so these are the rocks that you climb over in between Napili Bay and Honokeana Cove. So we're climbing over them, and hopefully this will take us all the way to Honokeana Cove for some good snorkeling. so got done snorkeling down there at Honokeana Cove and got to swim with a couple of turtles for about 20 minutes. And it was just amazing, but there's way more turtles out there, and this is a bad time of day. I guess the morning is the best time where they're just everywhere, so I may be coming back over here at some point in the next few days and do a little bit more snorkeling, see if I can see some more turtles. All right, so now I'm gonna head back over to Napili Bay next door and see if I can find Angie. All right, so we just got back from Napili Bay. We just went for a short trip down to the beach. We were there for about an hour, but long enough for Angie to get to chill out at Napili Bay some. And I got to go next door to Honokeana Cove, which I've been wanting to try out. I think Honokeana means like turtle heaven or something like that. I personally can't get enough of swimming with turtles. I think it's pretty cool. All right, so we're gonna go down to the pool now and just take a quick dip. Alright, so we are sitting out on our patio watching the sunset before we go to dinner, and hopefully it'll be as beautiful tonight as it's been the last couple nights. There's been some really nice sunsets. Alright, so it was a spectacular sunset tonight. It was nice sitting out here and getting to watch one from our deck because we've been out to dinner most nights when the sun's setting. So it was really nice sitting on our beautiful deck and watching the sunset tonight. And now we're going to run down to Lahaina and get a late dinner at Down the Hatch and hopefully get some treats afterwards. Alright guys, so we're in Lahaina and we're heading over to Down the Hatch to have some dinner. So it should be really good. We always love coming into Lahaina at nighttime. It's so pretty around here and the ambiance is super cool. All right, so we are coming up on the wharf center where Down the Hatch is.
One of the things we love the most here at Down the Hatch is just the atmosphere here. Not only does it have great food, but it's got this huge open courtyard, and at nighttime it's really cool with the open air courtyard and the lights. It even has live music playing, which makes it a lot of fun.
All right, this is the Lava Shrimp here at Down the Hatch, and spoiler alert, it's absolutely amazing. All right, so that's my lobster and crab grilled cheese sandwich. I've already kind of torn into it a little bit. I couldn't wait, so, but that's what it looks like. And it's absolutely incredible, just like it always is. And there is Angie's fish and chips. And it is really,
Mangled.
it's mangled.
But very, very good.
Mangled, but good. All right, so we are in Breakwall Shave Ice, which is connected to Down the Hatch to get a Hawaiian shave ice. They make adult shave ices here at Breakwall, so Angie's getting one called the Mudslide that she likes a lot. All right, so there's Angie's Mudslide Shave Ice.
Oh, it's good. Real good.
So now we're gonna head and see if the gelato place is still open. All right, so this is the gelato place that we're going into to check out. All right, so here's their gelato flavors.
Look at that chocolate right there. That's just crazy. And we got this one that's Kona mud pie. That looks really good. All right, so there's our gelato, half chocolate and half mud pie. All right, so we're finishing up our gelato, and it was really, really good. The chocolate is super rich, which is always one of the ways you can tell the good ones. We're gonna head back to the condo here in a minute at Papakea. All right, so it is the end of our Tuesday, which is our fourth full day here in Maui, and it's been a great day. I'm just having a blast on this trip. Angie and I were talking this evening about how much fun we're having. Obviously, we're in Maui. It's not super hard to have fun, but you know, this is our 15th anniversary trip, and we came to Maui for our honeymoon 15 years ago. We came back to Maui on our 10th anniversary 5 years ago. It's so nice to get away, just the two of us, for a week and spend time reconnecting and go do fun things together and have so many wonderful memories that we're creating on this trip. I feel so grateful to be married to such a wonderful lady. My wife is not only just completely beautiful, but she is the most kind, generous, funny person you could ever want to partner up with and spend your life with and spend time with. And I feel truly blessed that she's put up with me for 15 years, and I just look forward to 15 more years and 15 more years of memories that we're going to create together. Tomorrow we're getting up early and we're going zip lining, which is one of our absolute favorite things to do, and then we'll play it by ear. I think we're going to a sushi restaurant tomorrow night, so should be some good stuff for tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching our video today. If you've ever snorkeled with sea turtles or eaten over at Down the Hatch or Monkeypod Kitchen in Maui, please leave your comments below and let us know what your thoughts were about it. You can also follow Bucket Day Adventures on Instagram at Bucket Day Adventures. And if you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified when future videos come out. Thanks so much for spending time with us, and we sure hope you're doing something fun to fill your bucket today. Take care.